Second crazy video of the office is the Gringo make my dessert. Come on, Gringo.
What?
Domestic elf doing the job.
This is already too much. I do one.
No, do two. Here,
Okay.
one more.
Ah.
People see what's a good chef doing bananas. Master chef doing bananas dessert.
Yeah, you do it like toothpaste.
Do like toothpaste.
Like toothpaste. Look.
Look. Yeah.
Cleaning the pipes.
Cleaning the pipes.
Snapping one off.
Yeah. Show us one more time.
Very tasty.
And put some cinnamon after.
Cinnamon, yes. Very tasty.
Yeah. That's a good dessert, huh?
Slap it. Slap it on the butt.
With very good bananas. And cinnamon now.
Now sprinkle some crack on it. Some brown crack. Here.
Look, that's the perfect dessert for the liars of the liars of the office.
We are not liable for any diarrhea. It's on your own risk. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, well, we
Now say good.
Finishing touch.
Finishing touch. I already was saying to you say goodbye to the public.
What? Do I say goodbye to the public? I'm not dying yet. Goodbye, public. Whoever is going to eat this is going to say goodbye to the public.
Yeah.
Ah?
I will die from the area.
4 out of 5 stars.
Okay. Thanks, Master
Welcome.
Chef.
You're welcome.